Okay, we'll discuss balancing of redox reactions. And at least you have to get today 2 models. Oxidation number method should be completed. Today you have to complete that is. First revise rules which is they given all the points step by step try to remember. Otherwise open your NCERT book. That it should be noted down supposed to be. Look that rules you can do right now. So we're going to discuss balancing equation of which is solid example. After that you can see unsolved examples. Already again this is 2 methods. One is oxidation number method, other one is ion electron method. Clear? So first method I am going to discuss here, oxidation number method. In that case I am discussing here acidic medium. So reaction is Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus reacted each other in presence of acidic medium. H plus indicate acidic medium. Converted into Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. So whatever the given reaction, first you have to write which is the active species, which is participating in reaction, which is losing of electrons, which is gaining of electrons. That's you need to identify by writing oxidation state. Here chromium oxidation state plus 6. I hope you know how to calculate. We done too many times. Here plus 4. Array oxygen that won't be changed. That generally minus 2. That is fixed. Here plus 3. Here plus 6. Now can you find out which is oxidation occurs, which is reduction occurs here? Even I given which can act as oxidizing agent, which can act as reducing agent also very clearly. And you know list of oxidizing agents, list of reducing agents also you know how to do that is reduction. This undergo reduction. Reduction means oxidizing agent. Plus 4 to plus 6 is loss of electrons. That's we called oxidation. And acts as reducing agent. Step 1, this is first to write Skelter equation. 1 and 2 here only covered, sir. Step 1, just write Skelter equation only. Step 2, writing of oxidation numbers also we covered. Okay, first note down this step. On step 3, balance the. At step 3, very simple. Now we are going to calculate change in oxidation number, means how many electron they lost, how many electron gained. That is I am going to calculate here. Very simple, sir. Cr2O7 2 minus plus n factor calculation only. Already we know n factor change in oxidation number only na given. Same thing I am going to write here. Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. What is the n factor change for SO3? Can you find out here? Here plus 4 to plus 6. What is the difference? This is plus 4. Here plus 6. The change in oxidation number difference 2. How many sulfurs here? Only 1 into 1. So 2 is the n factor change. What about chromium n factor change? Can you calculate anyone? Here chromium plus 6. Here plus 3. How much difference? You may can take modulus, sir. You won't get any confusion. Okay. Here 6 minus 3. But how many chromiums here? 2. How much will you get, sir, total? 6 is the n factor. So which I am going to give one more important point. Please note down, this is very simple. Array, try to note down parallelly. Write equation and try to note down. Write on your notes. Write everyone in your notes first. Up to the steps, right? Step 1, writing of the equation. And what we done step 2, writing of oxidation numbers, right? Note down in your class notes. And I'm starting point only, note down everyone. These are not difficult, up to this already we done. Okay. N factor calculation, everyone we know that one very clearly. Completed, let me know that one. We'll continue our class. But very simple this is, you can understand. There is no much more mathematics here, logics. Completed? I hope. Any doubt here? N factor calculation. Change in oxidation number is the N factor. Here +4 and +6. What is the difference here? 2. How many sulfurs participating? Only 1. That's why 2 into 1, 2. Here +6 +3. Difference how much? 3. 6 minus 3, 3 only, na? How many chromium participating? 2 into 2. 6 is the N factor. Now under this one we can write, sir, we have to balance electrons. Okay. For balancing of electrons, we need to cross, sir, this is which is you are getting oxidizing agent M factor you have to write in front of reducing agent, and reducing agent N factor you have to write in front of oxidizing agent. So you can make that sentence. I'm going to be show here very clearly. Here loss of electron equal to gain of electron, that is fixed, sir. Loss of electron is equal to gain of electrons. This should be how to follow this principle. Here 6 electrons are required. Here they are giving 2 electrons, but I need 6 electrons. No? Multiply into 3, you can get very easily. Otherwise, just cross multiply both. I'm giving that point, check it here. If you are getting any confusion, please look here. Very simple. This is cross multiply. So means which is you are getting N factor of oxidizing agent. That's we can write in front of reducing agent. I'm showing with a different color. Please look it here. And we can show reducing agent N factor in front of oxidizing agent. Please make it sentence just opposite your writing, sir. Just opposite your writing. So check it here. Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives rise Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. Now we are writing. You can check it. So here how much you are writing? 2. Here how much? 6. Any doubt here? Are I shown with arrow? Please check it. I shown with arrow very simply. Calculate N factor, then crisscross the N factor. N factor of oxidizing agent right in front of reducing agent. Reducing agent N factor you can write in front of oxidizing agent. If possible, note down that sentence. Otherwise, exchange the N factor. Whatever the terminology you can try to use. Clear? Now we can see, sir. How many chromium here? How many chromium? 2 into 2. 4 chromiums are here. Left side is 4 chromium. Here how many sulfurs? 6 sulfurs. Can we try simplest equation? Simplest equation we required. Simplest equation we required, sir, always. So by dividing 2, automatically get, you can divide with 2. Simplest equation required always. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 SO3 2 minus gives rise 2 Cr3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus. Any doubt here? I wrote only after step 3 2 points. Just we cross multiply their N factor, change the N factor cross, then we are getting simplest number we required, which is you can get simplest number. You can divide any number, suitable number, doesn't matter here, but you have to get always simplest equation. You have to get simplest equation always. Now this is done. Fine. Now wherever this acidic medium, sir. So step balancing of You can follow that equations are all the terms. Balancing of oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. May you can check it here. After balancing, finally, wait. As the reaction occurs in the acidic medium and further the ionic charges are not equal on both sides, add H plus ions on the left mark and ionic charges equal. Then finally you have to balance oxygen atoms. Is it correct? Hey, the steps only I am following. I am not writing any new steps. Everything I am writing same step. Clear? So next they are balancing charge. We can see how they are balancing. Here, how much negative charge is there? You can check it left side. Total negative charge. How much total negative charge? Can you count, please? This is 2 minus 3 into 2 minus. Total 8 minus. Can I write? Here 2 negative charge plus here 6 negative charge. So total 8 negative charge, sir. 8 negative charge left side. Right side how much? 3 into 2. 6 negative charge and 6 positive charge. Is it correct? 6 positive. 2 into 3. So to maintain equally both side charges, how much H plus we have to add? H plus is the positive charge. H plus is the positive charge. Have to maintain left side whatever charge is there. Charge is there 8 minus. So I need to maintain both side net charge. How to maintain that is? Now look at here. I'm going to be add here. Six here balanced, here 2 minus extra, here 6 plus 3. I'm going to be add here 2 moles of CrO4 Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 SO3 2 minus plus 8 H plus answer. Please check it, is it correct or wrong? Here charge balanced by in acidic medium by adding H plus ions. Charge balanced in acidic medium. And I will use again another example also. Please try to follow this one first. I will explain again one more time also. Don't worry, you will get very easily. Plus 3 SO4 2 minus. Now check it. Our target is, so positive charge left side equal to right side. Whatever charges you are taking, total charge should be equal both sides. Now check it. Is it match or not? Is it matching or not? Can you find out? Right? Why 2 3 only? No, you are writing. Please write. Check it, sir. Is it matching or not? Find out. The total 8 negative charge, so 8 positive charge I am adding 0. The total 6 positive, 6 negative, 0. Is it both sides charge balanced or not? Check it here. Total 8 negative. So I am adding 8 positive. So positive negative going to be cancelled. The neutral left side, right side anyway 6 positive, 6 negative neutral. There is no charge any side sir right now. Means charge balanced occurs. Now can you find out how many oxygens required left side and right side? Oxygen balanced or not? So wherever oxygen is not balanced, oxygens you can balance by, these are hydrogen we balance, indirectly charge and hydrogens also are going to be balanced right now. Charge balanced occurs, sir. Here, right that point, balancing of charge. Balancing of charge on. Now balancing of hydrogens and oxygen are very simple. You can see. I will give finally all the points which is according to that points can get. No need to follow ST steps which is the given. Wherever oxygen's less atoms, oxygen wherever oxygen less there, that side add water molecules, sir. How many oxygens less, that many water molecules you can add? Oxygen, okay, wherever oxygen is less is there, add water molecules. Here how many oxygens can you count? 7, 3 into 3, how much, sir? 9. So total 16 oxygen atoms is there. What about here? 3 into 4, how much? 12. 12 oxygen atoms is there. 16 oxygen, 12 oxygen. So how many water molecules I need to add? For one oxygen, one water molecule. Okay. You can note down that point, sir. For one oxygen atom, we need to add one water molecule, one H2O. So how many I need to add? Now can you find out, please? Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus plus 8 H plus ions gives rise 2 Cr3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus plus I am writing 4 H2O, sir, because here 12 is there. To fulfill that one, 4 H2O added. Can you check it, left side right side equal total number of atoms is balanced or not? I am trying to finding, sir. Here chromium atoms and oxygen atoms and sulfur atoms and hydrogen atoms. So is it balanced or not? You can check it. How many chromium left side? This is left side and right side. Left side 2 chromium. Right side how many? Right side also 2 chromium. Don't think about charge, check its symbols. And oxygen how many atoms? 16 oxygen atoms left side. Right side also by adding 4 H2O, I got 16. Sulfur left side is 3. Right side also 3. And hydrogen left side 8. Don't think sign, just hydrogen symbol you can see. Here also 8. So our reaction is balanced. So again I'm explaining, you don't do that one, look into here step by step. Okay, please keep in mind each step. Here steps you are following perfectly or not, nothing is, sir, nothing going to be worry that one. Clear? First how to balance, get it that point, then your own terms you can write, your own, whatever you are doing you can write, because entrance exam no one will see steps anything. Finally got answer or not, that's where we are going to be check it. Anyway, we have to do within 1 or 2 minutes these questions, we can't take too much time. First step, writing of skeletal equation, then finding of oxidation reduction by using oxidation numbers, calculate oxidation numbers and reduction and oxidation I find. Then n factors I calculated here. Check it, n factors we calculated or not. With respect to chromium, array remember this one always. Next time, whenever I am asking, you have to give answer. Cr2O7 in acidic medium. This is fixed. Whenever I am asking, you have to give answer. This is fixed, sir. 3 plus n factor is 6. This is fixed. Already now only I calculated here 6 you got. Always 6. Remember that one. Always. That never be changed. Acidic medium Cr2O7 n factor 6. Don't calculate next time. Remember that one because we have to write a little bit fast. Entrance exam have 1 or 2 minutes only time. Clear? Next SO3. 2 minus 2 SO4 2 minus n factor I calculated 2. Now I told that one you have to note down one point. I shown here with color also. So we are exchanging n factors. We are exchanging their n factors, then we are writing. So exchange n factor here, sulfide n factor here, and chromate n factor here I wrote. After that, we are trying to write simplest equation, sir. Simplest equation. We may can take without simplest also, doesn't matter. But all these equations you have to write simplest form. Simplest form. You can multiply 200 also, but that is not the final answer. Okay. Finally, how much you can make simplest equation, that is a final equation. But that should be integer numbers, not fractions. So I'm getting here 2 Cr2. If I made simplest equation, I'm getting Cr2O7 2 minus 3SO3, chromium and sulfate. Now we are balancing charge. So left side charge equal to right side charge I need. Here left side charge is 8 negative charge is there. But right side is 6 positive, 6 negative, 0 is there. To neutralize negative charge in acidic medium, we have to add H plus ions. We added H plus ions. How much positive you need, that much H plus ions we can add. So here 8 negative charge is there, 2 minus. Then 3 into 2 minus 6, total 8 negative charge. So 8 negative charge balanced by 8 H plus ions. After that, I am balancing hydrogens and oxygens. Wherever oxygen atoms less in acidic medium, add that many water molecules. I counted left side 16 is there and right side only 12. By adding 4 H2O molecules, then oxygen is balanced, then automatically hydrogen is also balanced. Here, I'm going to give one more example. Please carefully try it, everyone. MnO4 minus plus H2S in presence of acidic medium, Mn2 plus sulfur. Okay, this much only given. Find out oxidation number. Even this also fixed. Please note down here. MnO4 minus in acidic medium, it's always converted into Mn2 plus only. Always. So this is plus 7. This plus 2. Difference how much are n factor? 7 minus 2. 5. 5 is the n factor. So n factor is 5. Next time you should not solve this one. You have to give direct answer. If I am giving KMnO4 or MnO4 minus in acidic medium, you have to tell direct answer n factor is 5. Understood? Now we are balancing, sir. Very simple. That's a fixed one. Even you don't want to write steps also. If you want, you can note down steps. Otherwise, check it that one. So step 1, equation completed, sir. Step 2, it doesn't matter you are maintaining steps or not. Finding of oxidation numbers. How much here? Plus 7, right? Plus 7 minus 2. This is already plus 2. Any element uncombined state, how much oxidation states are? 0. So n factor fix always 5 this is. N factor is 2. What is the next step? What we have to do next step, sir? Cross multiplying or not? N factors you have to do cross multiplying or not? You have to write n factor of MnO4, which you have to write in front of STS, and STS oxidizing agent, reducing agent factors you have to exchange. Very simple steps. Are up to steps you know everyone. Now I am giving new 2 steps only. I am giving 2 or 3. So right here 2 MnO4 minus plus how much I have to write here? 5H2S gives rise Mn2 plus sulfur. Now you can balance atoms here. How many Mn? 2. How many sulfurs? 5. There are 5. I don't assume 55. Huh? This is sulfur. Now what is the next step, sir? What do we have to do? Charge balancing or not? Step 4, right. Charge balancing. Here write simple term, charge balancing. Now how to balance charge balancing in acidic medium? By using H plus ions. H plus ions. How much here? How much negative, how much positive here? Left side is 2 negative charge. Sir, no. Only 2 negative. Right side how much, sir? 2 positive. Is it clear? I understood or not? This is 2 negative and 2 positive. First write charge, then you can balance. And this is 2 negative and this is 2 positive. We have only chance to adding H plus, then you have to balance. I can't make right side is negative charge, okay? But I can make left side by adding H plus ions. This I can make by positive. 2 negative should be become 2 positive, means how many H plus ions you need to add? So I'm adding 4 H plus ions. Is it matching? Check it. 4 H plus ions we are adding. Then 2 Mn2 plus 5 sulfur. Now we need to balance oxygen and hydrogens. So how many oxygens left side and right side can you count? Left side 2 into 4, 8 oxygen, sir. But right side, is there any oxygen? No. Each oxygen atom, how many water molecules you need to add? Each oxygen atom, how many water molecules? So 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 H2S plus 4 H plus ions gives rise 2 Mn2 plus 5 sulfur. I'm adding 8 H2O, sir. I need to add here 6 H plus, I think so, no? Because 2 into 2, 4 H plus here, 4 positive charge, not 2. 2 into 2, sir. 2 into 2, 4. So we have to add here 6 H plus ions. Because 2 minus only, but we need to get 4 H plus ion charges. Now check left side and right side. Seekers host, please try to allow to student to ask doubts. Seekers host, please try to allow to ask to doubts students. They need to ask doubts. They're expecting doubts to ask. Allow them to chat. Please. I will wait. Maybe he's in other work. I'll wait few minutes. Check it here. Everything is balanced or not. After balancing is correct or not, you have to check left side atoms is equal to right side atoms. This is your expecting final answer. Okay. Now Mn, you can write sir. Mn, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. So left side and right side you are writing sir. Left side 2 Mn is there. And right side how many Mn you can count sir? 2, 2. How many oxygens here? 8, 8. How many hydrogens? 5 into 2, 10 plus 6. 16, 8 into 2, 16. Sulfur, 5, 5 H2S. And here also 5. So balance or not. One word you have to remember. Anyway, that's we can do next method, not now here. This is clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? I think so. 2 examples we given. What we done, sir? Simple steps you done. N factor calculation you should be know that one, sir, perfectly. N factor calculation should be, you have to know that one. We'll try another example to calculate by using oxidation number method. Next time people can request them. Because not one, maybe that person is there in the meeting, he went outside, we don't know that. He may join that event. Next time we need to ask doubts, otherwise I can't do anything. Because not in my hand. Unless you are not asking doubts, I can't do anything for you. So after class, sometime you all you can ask them, allow to ask two doubts. Okay. We done this method simply and factor calculation by using this. I will try some more examples. In the book also too many examples. Redox reactions, balancing equations. You can try it. One more example you can do. This is previous question. This is previous question, sir. We are going to do JE question. If you want, you can search. You will get answer. They given here MnO4 minus plus C2O4 2 minus plus H plus gives rise Mn2 plus CO2 plus Anyway, H2O you will get. Let's leave it. They're asking what is the X, Y, Z. Nowadays they're asking integer type question they are making, sir. They're making integer type question, these are. So can you try it? Try yourself. If you are not getting, I will explain. First calculate n factor. Okay, can I try? Okay, fine. Anyone you tried? You got answers? Okay. Very simple again. Are you can't do step by step everything because in examination you have to do mostly 2 minutes. So only 2 minutes you have to do. Very simple. MNO for an acidic medium factor how much? That is already fixed already. I told that one very clearly. This is fixed. You have to remember 5. So we are getting 5. This is plus 7. This is plus 2. Difference how much, sir? 5. C2O4 oxalate N factor. Calculate carbon oxidation number here. Plus 3. This is plus 4. Array C2O4 2 minus. Carbon is 2x. Plus oxygen 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. Then get x equal to plus 3, sir, you will get. So here 3, okay, minus 4. But how many carbons? You have to multiply that many. Only reactant you have to consider, only reactant, not products. Because this is converted into product. Product is not converted into reactant. Only reactant you have to consider how many atoms is there. That point try to note down. Only reactant. Array, whenever any important point came, try to note down, sir. Don't save pen paper without writing. If you are doing like that, I can't do. Okay, 2 carbons I'm multiplying into 2. So how much will get, sir, n factor here? 2. What I told you, n factor. You have to exchange or not n factors. So write 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 C2O4 2 minus plus H plus you can keep like that. You can balance, that is 2 Mn2 plus left side 2 Mn is there. That's why 5 into 2 10 CO2 plus H2O. Now find out how many oxygens is there left side and right side. How many oxygens? 2 into 4 8. 5 into 4 20. Here 10 CO2 means 20 over, sir. So 8 oxygens extra is there. I can do 8 water molecules right side. Can I right? 8 molecules. So how many water molecules less? That many H2Os you need to add. 8 H2O. Now here 8 hydrogen means here 16 H plus ions. So now your equation is balanced. X equal to 2, Y equal to 5, Z equal to 16. They make and give integer type questions. Try to balance. This is previous JEE question. Completed, let me know that one. I will give one more example. Again, we are taking simplest equation. In that case, 2 2 will be cancelled. Same number means that will be cancelled. You won't get anything. So if you want, you can write. Otherwise, 2 2 will be cancelled. If whenever not cancelling, then you can crisscross. If cancelling means no need to write crisscross. If you want, you can note on that point also. If they are equaling the number, then you can crisscross. Sorry, you can cancel. How many Cl here? 2. So I can write here 2 Cl minus. So how many iodine here left side? 1. Here also 1 iodine. Now count oxygens. Here how many oxygens is there? 4 and 1 is 5. Okay. How many here? 4. But hydrogens also not balanced. We can check it here. 2 hydrogens here. Now I am adding 2 OH minus or 1 more OH minus I am adding. In basic medium you can add. Now check it, everything is balanced or not. Here 2 hydrogens. That hydrogens we are balancing, or charge we are balancing by adding OH minus ion. You can check it, charge balanced or not. Here total 3 negative charge. Here also total 3 negative or not. 1 is minus here and charge balanced by here OH minus. In acidic medium H plus ions. Charge balanced in acidic medium H plus ions, in basic medium OH minus ions. Can you try one more question? I think so. Class is over, but you can try. This is PVS plus H2O2 an acidic medium, sir. Or you can try it, whatever that is. You can balance simply equation I'm giving here. Very simple, no need to do anything. PbSO4 plus H2O. Try to balance for next class. Okay. I hope some people you understood. Who are not understood, you may can check it links. Otherwise, ask them to allow to ask doubts. I don't know you understood or not. That is not my mistake. Huh? Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Try to practice some questions. Already have some textbooks and seekers material. Check it from that. Try maximum number of questions. At least I'm asking 5 to 10 balancing equations, sir. 5 to 10. Right? You can give more examples also. First try from textbooks. If you are not getting, we'll see later. Thank you.